Attention Southwest Florida homeowners and homebuyers. It's Braden Milner bringing you the latest insights into our vibrant housing market. Last week, we saw mortgage interest rates at 7.06%, 353 new listings, 292 properties sold, 348 pending, 90 expired listings, and a median sales price of $375,000. This week, though, the mortgage rates have jumped up to 7.24%, which is a noteworthy increase and could have various implications for buyers and sellers alike. The new listings have seen a slight decrease to 338, possibly signaling a slowing down in homeowners' eagerness to sell. Interestingly, the number of properties sold has dropped to 211. This decline may be linked to the interest rate increases, which can affect buyers' ability to finance purchases. Pending sales are also showing a small decline from 348 to 326, indicating some adjustments in the market dynamics. However, in a positive turn, the expired listings have dropped from 90 to 59. This decrease, when compared to last week's unusually high number, may signify a stabilization in the market. It's worth noting that last week's spike might have been due to specific circumstances, such as agreements ending at the beginning or the end of the month. The median sales price has also experienced a slight decrease, moving from $375,000 to $368,000. While small fluctuations are common, they're always worth keeping an eye on to understand the underlying trends. In conclusion, the Southwest Florida real estate market this week shows some mixed signals, with increases in interest rates and decreases in sold properties and median sales price. Understanding these dynamics is essential for both buyers and sellers to make informed decisions. As always, I'm here to help you navigate these market intricacies. Feel free to reach out to me, Braden Milner, your trusted Southwest Florida realtor with Florida Future Realty. Give me a call or text at 239-634-8639 or an email at contact@bradenmilner.com. And follow the channel for next week's update and more exciting content throughout the week. Have a fantastic week, Southwest Florida.